COVID vaccinations are one of the hottest topics locally and nationally with the resurgence of the virus through the Delta variant. We've got the latest figures from local counties. We're also looking at the seeming disconnect by medical professionals, where only about half the local hospital workers have taken the vaccine. Hospital visits for COVID patients up exponentially in the past month. UF Health CEO Leon Haley says the increase is 1,000% since June.
Northeast Florida in particular has been a significant challenge, particularly in Duval County, Nassau County, St. Johns, Baker, in large part because our vaccination rates have lagged behind.
The state health department reports over the past 30 days, most cases are people without vaccine. Most people infected are between 20 and 49 years old, and most people in the hospital are between 40 and 69. While medical professionals urge the broader public to get the shots, vaccination rates in hospitals among staff a stunning 50% or less, according to Haley's estimate. I asked another local doctor about that.
To me, it was kind of shocking. How does that sit with you?
It doesn't sit well. I did look up statistics. So our local population is reflective of our general population.
When Dr. Nancy Stotts talks about the medical staff and their vaccination rates really reflecting what's going on regionally, we wanted to see what that means. So when we zoom in and we look at local numbers, in Duval County specifically, 41% is the number of people who have gotten at least one dose of vaccine. When we go to the north, Nassau County, that number's a little better, 44%. But when you look to Baker County, it's down at 25%. Clay County that's Bradford County is at 31%. Clay County's 36%, and one of the best numbers in the area is 53% for St. Johns County. Dr. Stotts says nationally, about 75% of healthcare workers are vaccinated. 96% of medical doctors are inoculated. She says that sends a strong message to patients and hopefully to the nurses and other staff.
I think by saying, 96% of us have been vaccinated, we've answered that question to the public. What would you do, doc? We would get vaccinated. We know it's far better than risking getting sick.
Who is getting sick from the Delta variant? Well, Dr. Haley says at UF Health since June 18th, the average age of the patients has dropped from late 60s to 52 years old. There's also a shift in the demographics of the disease. 54% of the patients dying from COVID 5 weeks ago were Black. Now 59% of the patients dying from the virus are white.
They're largely men at this point, and largely Caucasian, particularly of the mortality. So it is still a disease that can wreak a lot of havoc. It still causes significant illness. It still causes death, particularly if you are unvaccinated.
The state's Department of Health told me tonight in an email, Florida has reached a milestone of 60% vaccination rate of all eligible populations. Also in the last month, 6% of all COVID cases have been people who are already vaccinated.